You want to install Android and Windows on one PC? Worry not, the video shows you how to install Android emulator on Windows 10. You can use either a virtual machine like VirtualBox and VMware workstation, or you use an Android emulator like Memu and Andy. For my case, I picked MEmuEmulator because it's easy to use and has a set of good features. Download it from any site you wish and try it out. For me, I can recommend you download from igetintopc. Go to your Chrome browser or any you are using and type igetintopc without spacing, and when it opens up, open the site and search for MEmuEmulator. Most of my crack software, activated, I get them from there, or when you miss it there, try igetintopc.com. Today we are going to see how to install MEmuPlay on Windows. First step, navigate to your download file, click open. It will take some time to extract. Once done, click on the application. The installation process will start and continue for some minutes. Once done, it will request for system restart and you allow it to restart and you will be done with installation.